So guys, today we are at Recycle Cycles and this is my bike Merida. I built it like 105, carbon handlebars, carbon seat post. We are doing a quick hub sound check between Mavic Siriums. Then I have Siriums from 2005s. I have some like a specialized hub on the Mavic rims. Then I have some Monas. Also got some Richies. Over here I have some Rovals, then finally DT Swiss, and I also have some unbranded one, no brands, but I guess that sounds really good. Let's see, we'll go first with the Mavic Siriums. Sticky Mavic hub. Then I have Siriums 2005s. Let's see how they sound. Now I have some specialized hubs, but they are laced on Mavic CXPs, so let's see how these sound. So next we have some Moina rims. I have never heard of these guys before, but let's see how these sound now. So guys, we have an unbranded hub here. I'm not sure, I couldn't find any branding, no model, there is no serial number, but let's see how that sounds. So we go. Guys, next we have specialized Roval wheel set, but it says it's powered by DT Swiss. Let's see how that sounds. Okay guys, then now we have Bontrae here, which is Trek Mustang Elite. Let's see how this one sounds. So the last but not the least, we have Stance No Tubes. Stance 3.30. It's a 26-inch wheel. That's why it doesn't reach the calipers. Let's see how it sounds.